In late 2015, Monterey Bay experienced the worst toxic algal bloom ever seen before. The aggregation of toxic pseudonychia algae producing the neurotoxin domoic acid had a profound effect on the seabird and marine mammal populations. Shortly after, the tide subsided. Now, in the fall of 2018, a new toxic algae bloom has begun to creep in along the coasts. While a different algae, the affected toxins bioaccumulate in filter feeders like shellfish and free-floating planktons and move their way up the food chain. In humans, this causes a phenomenon known as paralytic shellfish poisoning, and local officials have issued warnings prohibiting the consumption of local mussels. Unfortunately, marine mammals and birds are also affected, and numerous individuals have died or become less fit to survive. So what causes these toxic blooms? The answer is nitrogen. In 2015, Monterey Bay ecologists deduced that the main limiting nutrients to these algae were nitrogen and silicon. Normally both naturally occurring, in 2015, the concentration of silica in the water took a drop, and an influx of nitrogen helped cause the algae to produce their toxic byproducts. The bloom in 2018 has occurred under similar conditions as well, with upwelling supplying much less silica than usual, with little change in nitrogen levels. A threat to both the health of humans and the ecosystem itself, the toxins have already caused the deaths of seabirds, sea lions, and sea otters as of this year. While not brought on solely by human means, local runoff of fertilizers and wastewater helped add nitrogen to the shores and exacerbate the problems. Since then, groups like the Resource Conservation District of Monterey County, Santa Cruz Water Treatment, and Monterey Bay Aquarium have been at work advising locals and farmers towards more sustainable methods of farming and waste disposal to reduce nitrogen runoff. While these efforts help, if we continue to improve our practices, these combined solutions could hopefully help curb naturally occurring red tides and keep the bay a cleaner and safer place in the future.